Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting ready to show you these new Gel X Ombre tips. They just released about a week or two ago. And if you haven't seen my previous video where I go over the difference between the Gel X Ombre and their Whitney tips, here's the card on the top. Go ahead and click on that after you watch this one. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, you guys, so I did all my prepping off camera just to save some time. And what I did was I applied the primer and the bonder. I also, prepped my natural nails, and I will link that all down below if you want to see those videos. And I used this extend gel from Creations, and I cured it in the lamp for about 10 seconds. Here, I'm taking the Gel X tip and I'm applying that Creations extend gel on the tip, and I'm going to flip her over and drop it on my nail bed for 45 seconds. I'm gonna drop it on my nail at a 45-degree angle, and I'm gonna cure it for about 20 seconds. One thing that I noticed with these tips is that it takes a little bit longer to cure, and it's because I think the color of the nail, it takes a little bit longer for the light to penetrate and cure the actual tip. Okay, so here I'm showing you how the tip transitions. It's a little bit sheer towards the cuticle, and it gets more opaque towards the tip of the nail, so it seems more, a lot wider towards the tip of the nail. Here I'm going to show you one more time how I apply the Gel X Ombre tips. I'm going to take the gel, okay, and I'm going to scrape it, and I'm going to flip it over and drop it on the nail. And here I'm making sure that everything is, together, sidewall to sidewall. And I'm using the Omni light, which I talk about in my last video. I did an unboxing of the Omni light and the Ombre Gel X tips. So if you want to see that video, I will link it up in the cards as well. So after I'm done applying all the tips, I'm using the Gel X Prep, and this is going to basically create a tacky layer on the actual tips. So I'm able to apply the polish or design or whatever else you want to apply, because the Gel X tips, they are nice and smooth. So if you apply anything on a smooth surface, it's going to come right off. So you want to create texture. Okay, so here I'm showing you how the nails look after they're applied. And I didn't buy the sheer colors that Gel X, the Prey dropped. So I just found this random translucent kind of light sheer color pink, and that's what I'm going to use to do the actual ombre effect. So the way that I'm doing it, and the way that Prey talks about doing it, is basically applying the color and fanning it out towards the tip. So I'm applying it towards the cuticle, okay, and I do about two or three layers of this. And then what I do is I take a separate brush, okay, and I'm going to fade that color towards the tip, okay, and I'm going to do this probably 2 more times to get the color payoff that I want from the sheer pink shade. Okay, so apply the color, okay, and then you're going to fade it out with the actual other brush. If you buy Prey's sheer colors, you could do it with the brush that's already attached to the bottle, but like I said, I don't have that, so I'm just improvising. But even doing it this way, you guys, this way is a lot easier than doing it the old traditional ways that we were taught a few years ago on how to do ombre. This is a lot easier, and it saves a lot more time. Okay, so here's my little attempt at some last minute Valentine's Day nails. I decided to use this plate from Maniology and take this little heart and pick it up with a stamping tool and drop it in the corner of my ring finger. And yeah, if you guys want more stamping videos, let me know and I will definitely pick up more stamping plates to do more videos. But with stamping, you guys, you could do so much. I will link the website down below and also use Adine 10 to save 10% on maniology.com's website. They have tons of plates and polishes and stuff. This was super easy. I decided to put the little heart on there. And yeah, that was my little, quick and easy Valentine's Day design. And then just use the magic top coat, and I'm going to top coat all the nails, and then I'm going to cure it under the light for 60 seconds. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Look how beautiful these nails came out. You cannot tell me this like took more than 20 minutes to do. Like, this way of doing ombre nails is so easy. I love the way how Appraise keeps pushing the envelope and coming out with innovative ideas on how to use their products. And I only can imagine as the years, keep going, how more products and designs and stuff they're gonna drop and come out with. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, make sure you click on the links down below. I have my Amazon storefront down there, Maniologist's website. Use Adine 10 to save 10% off, and all the other videos that I mentioned in this video I will have down in the description box. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.